In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refine hair selections using Adobe software. This step-by-step guide will take you through each part of the process, ensuring you have a clear understanding and can easily follow along. Let's start by adding your image to Adobe. You can do this by opening the software and importing the image file you wish to work with. This step is crucial because the software needs to know on what canvas you'll be applying your changes. Once your image is open, you can proceed to the next step. Next, it's time to focus on selecting your subject's hair. You'll want to use the selection tool for this part. Adobe provides a variety of selection tools, but for hair, the Quick Select tool is often your best bet. It allows you to freely paint over the area you want to select. For finer details like hair, be sure to zoom in and take your time to ensure the selection closely aligns with the hair edges. If you're finding that the selection isn't perfect, you can refine it using the lasso tool. The lasso tool is excellent for making precise adjustments. Simply click on the tool and hold down the mouse button while tracing around the areas you need to add or remove from your selection. If some of the hair is still not selected, switch to the positive lasso tool, allowing you to add more to your current selection. This refinement step can make a significant difference in the quality of your selected area. Once you are satisfied with your selection, click on the mask option. This step is extremely important as it helps refine the edges of your selection, including those tricky hair strands. The mask will create a non-destructive layer mask for your selection, meaning you can make further adjustments without permanently altering the original image. Here, you can transition the edges, smoothing them and reducing any hard lines. After creating the mask, the final step is adjustments. In this phase, you can manipulate various settings to get the perfect look. Play around with the contrast and feathering of the mask to improve the appearance of the hair against the background. This is your chance to experiment and see what works best for your particular image and desired outcome. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now have a beautifully refined hair selection. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you work with Adobe, the more skilled you'll become at fine-tuning these details. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I encourage you to continue exploring all the features Adobe has to offer. Thank you for watching and have fun with your editing projects.